Storing user attributes in the chatbot flow from the dashboard. Go to Chatbot AI and create a story. Add keywords and user input that a user can ask. Drag the text response block and add the text that you want to send to your user. Add quick replies. And then attach the user attribute. Enter the key and value. Do the same for all the quick replies. Now drag the text response that you want to send to your users for each quick reply. Save the story. Test your chatbot. And then go to Chatbot AI and click on Data Stores. And you will see that the bot stores the data of the user. That's it. Thanks for watching.